Need your UID number on Bybit, but don't know where to find it? In the next couple of minutes, I'll show you the quickest way to locate it and why it's important. First, open the Bybit app and log in. Tap your profile icon at the top left, then tap the settings icon right beside it. Scroll down a little, and there it is, your UID number. This is your unique Bybit identification number, and it's tied directly to your account. Why is it important? Your UID is used whenever you contact Bybit support, apply for promotions or bonuses, or need to recover your account. Think of it like a personal ID for your Bybit account. It helps them identify you quickly and safely. Here's a tip. Never share your UID publicly. Only provide it to official Bybit support or when claiming verified promotions. Sharing it carelessly could put your account at risk. Quick question, did you already know about your UID, or is this the first time you're checking it? Drop it in the comments. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips and tutorials.